Hi, today I'm going to be experimenting. So I'm not very good at getting the bloom technique, so I'm going to practice. I've been doing some research, been looking into different recipes to use, so I've adjusted my recipes and yeah, thought I'd give it a go. Got some tiles and just these little ones, like coaster sizes. If I like them, then I'll turn them into coasters. If not, then I'll just get rid of them. Just going to apologise in advance. My parrots have been very chatty today. I think they want to say hello. Hang on. Can you keep it down, please? You've gone quiet now. Oh, hello. Hello. Say hello then. Hello. Okay, sorry about that. Just thought I'd get him to say hello, see if it keeps him quiet. Right, I'm going to do, I've got my colours mixed up. I've got some phthalo turquoise. I've got some pearl violet, which is a kind of like a little bit metallic-y, obviously pearlescent finish. I've got some pearl silver. I've got some white. And I've got some white cell activator. The cell activator is what makes the bloom, apparently. So I'm going to give it a try. First of all, I'm going to pour my pillow paint. So using white in the middle. I've been having problems with my pillow paint because it's been too thick. So we'll just see what happens today. Just an experiment, bit of fun. Nothing else to do. Well, I have got loads to do, like housework and stuff, but nah, this is more fun. So just give it a blow because I want to get the bubbles out. Okay, let the fun begin. Start with some turquoise. I really love this colour actually. It works so nicely in pours. I've used it before and it's just really effective. I think it's, from what I've seen, it's quite a favourite of the teals, and the turquoises are quite a favourite colour with a lot of acrylic pourers. So, right, I'm going to put some purple. Oh. Pop some of this white. Okay, right. Now I'm just going to kind of blow it out with my hairdryer, see what happens. Interesting. Okay. It's going to let it sit for a second, see what it's doing. I'm actually quite pleased with that so far. Not bad. Okay, right. Just probably gonna ruin it, but I am experimenting, so I'm just gonna pop some more cell activator there. And there. And I'm just gonna blow it again. Okay, prefer it being sort of a bit more crisscrossed rather than just a line through it. I actually really like that. Wonder if I'll ruin it by tipping it. Okay. Just need to make sure all the edges are covered. Not bad, not bad. Ah, that's a shame. That's not. I'm going to put some white on that because I don't want to ruin it. So I'm using cell activator white. Now, if I had a decent Lazy Susan, it would just spin and it would spin to the edges, but I bought the cheap one, didn't I? So you buy cheap, you buy twice. It's very. I think that's going to really annoy me, that little tiny corner. I'm just going to use my lollipop stick and see if I can just manipulate it a little bit. Don't suppose you can see from that angle. Okay, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. It's got a lot going on in it. It's quite busy. But I probably did mix the silicone in a bit too hard, so that's probably why my cells and everything are a little bit smaller. Apparently the less you stir, the bigger the cells, so I'm just going to give that a quick once over with the torch just to pop any air bubbles. Probably not a good idea to use cling film around the outside because it will melt, but you know, life's a lesson. All that. I thought about it afterwards. I thought that probably wasn't very clever of me, but I'm still experimenting. Okay, there we go. Gonna bring you down for a close-up. So there we have it. Thanks ever so much for watching. Thanks from me and Malcolm, the noisy little intruder, and Maggie in the background. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like it. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, see you again. Bye.